As a leader, you can't afford to waste any of the talent on your team. You need everyone's best thinking and contributions to achieve great results. But there's a good chance you aren't actually getting all of the intelligence and ability your team has to give. This is the focus of leadership expert Liz Wiseman's best-selling book, Multupliers, How the Best Leaders Make Everyone Smarter. And now FranklinCovey has partnered with Liz Wiseman to turn her game-changing insights on what the best leaders do into behaviors that can help you access the full brilliance of your team.
I studied hundreds of leaders across a range of large and small businesses, schools, and other organizations over 4 continents, all in pursuit of this one really big question. Why do some leaders drain intelligence while others amplify it? And what I found is that these leaders operate in dramatically different ways and get vastly different levels of capability from others. I also found that this ability to multiply the intelligence of others is something you can learn. It's something you can get good at. What would happen in your organization if you operated more like a multiplier?
You have the ability to actually multiply what your team brings to your organization. You also have the power to unintentionally diminish your team's talent and energy and stall their performance without even realizing you're doing it. FranklinCovey's new solution will show you how even small shifts in your behavior can bring about positive changes in the people on your team.
Our research showed that multipliers virtually get all of people's intelligence, their knowledge, their skills, their talents, and their insights, and all of this without requiring a bigger investment. When people work for multipliers, they hold nothing back, and as they give fully, they receive this richly satisfying work experience in return.
Whether you participate in person, live online, or on demand, you'll learn how to become more of an intentional multiplier and less of an accidental diminisher. Most important of all, you'll learn 4 important skills that will help you achieve the multiplier effect. How to ask better questions that focus people on the right problems and opportunities, so you can find better solutions together. Look for genius in everyone and put it to work in ways that ignite their brilliance. Create space for others to speak up, debate, learn from mistakes, and innovate. Offer bigger challenges to help team members grow and break through to new levels of results without burning out along the way. At the end of the day, multiplier leaders get more, and so do the people they lead. Imagine what your team and your organization could achieve with more of everyone's intelligence and ability.